Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be tackling our nasty RX-8 headlights. I know you can't see them on this view, but you'll see them soon enough. I just don't feel like disconnecting the GoPro from the tripod right now so I can show them to you, but that's what we'll be doing. That's what we got going on. So let's get into it, shall we? All right, so I got the first headlight done. You can see it in the background. GoPro decided to shut off again. I needed to use something other than GoPro, I think. They're giving me headaches. They're good action cameras, but probably should do something else for vlogging. So, yeah. Bling, bling. And that's where we came from. So, I'll go ahead and show you the process on this one, since the GoPro didn't cooperate on that one, but that's where we're going. That's where we're coming from. Let's get it done. Too weird? Maybe. Who knows? You might know. I don't know. Let's go. All right, so we got the headlights all cleared up. I had a crap ton of overspray. I don't know if you could see it in the time lapse there, but it was all over the place. So washed the front of the car, got all that off. And now it's time to finish out this series of super awesome RX-8 upgrades. And we will be doing that with Rain-X wiper blade and just the driver's side, because I don't care about you in the passenger seat. No, this one isn't. The driver's side is not. What's that? Remove. Okay, I'll remove. The driver's side blade hasn't been performing properly, and the passenger side has, so figure just take care of the problem, and that's all we need. I don't know what I'm doing. This is supposed to come off. Oh, hey, there it is. I don't even know what ones these are. Garbage! Kind of close. Close enough, right? And then for this one, bada bing, bada boom. Yoink. Look at that. Good to go. And with that, I'd like to thank you all for joining me on this crazy adventure of super awesome daily driver upgrades. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this wasn't too boring for you. I know it's not the cool stuff like we're about to get into with the STI, but it is content nonetheless, and I had fun recording it and editing this video. So, if you could please, as always, like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and tell your friends. You know, we're doing fun stuff over here, so let them know they can have fun with us. And on that note, deuces.